Hello and welcome to our new video. This is Amshik Gade. You are watching Crypto Planet Calls. So friends, till now market scenario was different. Right now market scenario has changed. So on the urgent basis, I have made this video. So do not skip the video. This type of urgent updates will be given in this channel. So subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. It motivates for me to make such more videos. So without time wasting, let's start the video. So friends, as you can see, this is BTC 4-hour time frame and BTC is currently trading at 87,200 area. Okay. So now I will tell you in a very simple way. Do not get confused. Watch video without skipping. Okay. Before starting the video, please hit the like button. It motivates for me to make such more videos. Okay. Hit the like button. Done. Okay. Let's start the video. So as you can see, if I draw a trend line from this area, as you can see, let me draw. I have drawn a trend line from this area. And as you can see, if you see, the trend line has been broken out and currently retest process is ongoing. So what happens after the breakout? The retest process will be run, and once the retest is done, we will see pump in the BTC. Okay, everything is clear. It is right. Okay, we have to wait for the retest, and if the retest is done, we will see pump in the BTC. So if I show you the CME gap, as you can see, we have a CME gap at 85,135 and 84,270 area. Okay, we have this CME gap. Let's see at which area we have the CME gap. As you can see, this green line is called our CME gap. Okay, this 85,135 and 84,270 area is at this area. Okay, don't get confused. Okay, this is our CME gap. Okay, clear? So as you can see, it is exactly at our retest area. So what happens whenever BTC comes for the retest? And keep in the mind, 99% of the times BTC has filled the CME gap. If you see the past history, okay, 99% of the times BTC will fill the CME gap. So this time also BTC will fill. Okay, keep in the mind. So while retesting this trend line, the BTC will fill this CME gap also. Okay, so at the same time, the CME gap will be filled and the retest of this trend line will be also done. So what people will expect? Everybody will expect and everybody will open long position. It is clear. We have two possibilities of pump. Okay, after the CME gap is filled, obviously we will see the pump, and after the retest, obviously we will see the pump. Okay, so overall we have chances of pump in the market. Okay, clear? So if you think trading is this much easy, then everybody will make money. But trading is not that easy. Okay, so now I will show you one more thing. If I draw a trend line from this area, okay, if I draw a trend line from this area and a trend line from this area, okay, a trend line from this area and a trend line from this area, okay, clear? So as you can see, currently what it have become? It have become rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern. Till now you was bullish by seeing this breakout of this trend line and the CME gap. You are bullish, but suddenly you have become bearish by seeing this rising wedge pattern. Okay, this is how trading works. Where is our CME gap? Let me get back it. Okay, I have got it. Let me draw the trend lines once again. So yeah, this is our CME gap, and as you can see, this is our rising wedge. Okay, clear? So where is the CME gap now? Now CME gap is just below the rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern. After the breakdown of rising wedge pattern, BTC can fill the CME gap. So what it have become? It have become bearish, because to fill the CME gap, the rising wedge, the bearish pattern has been broken down. So suddenly we can say that market has turned to the bearish. Till now you are bullish, suddenly you became bearish, because to fill the CME gap, BTC will break the rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern. So if the retest is successful at this area, okay, we have to wait for the retest. Do not instantly open long or short position. Okay, do not open any long or any short position in between of this area. Okay, this area is very risky area for opening long and short. Okay, now I will tell you when to open long and when to open short. Okay, So if the retest is successful at this area, okay, if the retest is successful at this area, then observe, okay, we have got a sign that we will see dump in the BTC. So do not open short position at this area. If you can take risk, you can open directly at this area. But if you want that safe trade, then wait for the breakdown of this trend line, okay. If this trend line breaks down, if the candle closes below this trend line, then you can open short position. Here will be your safest short position. Once you open short position to this area, you can get good profits, okay. So let's see what happens, and keep in the mind that we have seen a breakout of this trend line, and if the retest is successful at this area, then we will see breakout above this rising wedge pattern and retest, and at this area you can open long position also and gain the profits, okay. So overall what we have to do, we have to wait for the successful retest, okay, successful retest, and do not open any long and short position at this area. Wait for the breakdown or closing above this rising wedge, okay. Mostly BTC will fill this CME gap, which is at 85,135 and 84,270, okay, keep in the mind. So that's all for this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Please hit the like button. If anything further need to be updated, I will update on my free Telegram channel. Join the free Telegram channel. Link is given in the description and the comment section. Okay. We will meet in our next video. Bye.